How to disable YouTube Shorts. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch YouTube app on your phone and then make sure that you log into your account using your credentials. As you can see on your home feed are tons of YouTube Shorts. To disable this, you simply need to tap the particular three dots and here you see not interested. You need to follow the same process for all of the shorts video. And now you need to once refresh your YouTube page. Again, you see the YouTube Shorts section. You should repeatedly do this process by tapping three dots and tapping not interested. Now refresh your feed again and when you scroll down, you will no longer find YouTube Shorts video on your YouTube feed section. So this is the best way in order to disable YouTube Shorts from your YouTube feed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.